I love the 3D builder process. It was awesome. My name's Trey from Hallsville. Was first looking for a shed for my tractor and lawnmowers and stuff, so I did a Google search for carport. Allen's was the first one to pop up. Got on the website. Website was awesome. I loved it. You could build everything you wanted 3D. It showed up exactly how it is here. You know, it just showed up the same way. I chose Allen's because I love the website. It was so awesome how you could build it, pick everything you want. They had so many options, and as you're picking things, it just starts popping up and showing you what it's gonna look like. And the price was good. I love the price. The price was great. And it was cheaper than buying a storage building. You went to Lowe's and Home Depot, a storage building is cheaper than that. So everything worked out. I had to send them pictures of my level site. When they got here, they showed up and they had that thing up in about 4 hours. You know, it was a quick, easy process. I did a second building because I needed a storage unit. We were going to go with the 20 by 20, but you know, you never hear anybody say, I wish I would have gone smaller. So we ended up doing it 10 feet longer. We did a 20 by 30 on this one. We ended up insulating it, put air conditioner in it. It's perfect for what we need. Sometimes I'll go out there and just sit, because we have the air conditioning in there. I'll go out there and just sit and hang out and just store stuff, move stuff around, and I love it. 20 by 30 is a pretty good sized building. I mean, it's plenty of room. There again, I wish I would have gone maybe a little bit bigger. You know, you never can have too much room. My dad's looked at it. He's considering getting him a RV carport for his. And I've had other people come and look at it, and they love it too. They always say they had one like it. I would definitely recommend Allen's because it's just everything's so simple. There's no. To me, there wouldn't be another choice. You know, it's just easy and perfect, and it showed up just like it was on the website. You know, it looked exactly the same as what you planned it to be. Just everything's perfect about it. So I wouldn't go nowhere else.